Hey there, it's Gina. Recently, I posted a video showing how to make these scrap tassels and asked if you guys wanted to learn how to make these fabric flowers. You voted yes, so here we go. You want to grab some scrap fabric and you want to rip off pieces that are about 2 inches wide each. And the bigger the flower you want, the more strips you'll need. I'm going to use about 5 strips and it'll make a flower that's about 3 inches wide, but it really depends on the length of your fabric. I have made these big enough to cover a pillow before, so go as big or as small as you want. After you have your strips, you want them at least 2 inches wide. You can go wider if you want a fluffier flower, but fold them lengthwise and just finger press it with the heat of your finger to hold that crease in place. Next, you're going to need a needle and thread, and we are going to hand stitch these into a ruffle. You could totally do this with a sewing machine, either with a ruffle foot or with hand gathered ruffles. Just sew a stitch over hand gathered ruffles. Either way, it doesn't matter. You just need to ruffle up the fabric. And whenever you get to the end of one piece, just lay the second piece, kind of sandwich it around and keep going so that you have one continuous ruffle that's the length that you'd like for it to be. I like to do this like you could watch a movie or a television show, whatever you want to do, but I like to do this where that it's something that's kind of relaxing to do, and I enjoy doing it that way. Okay, after you have it done all the way to the end, the size that you want it, then you are going to finish off the end by rolling up the end just a little bit and creating a stitch. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. And this will give you the center that you need for your flower so that you are ready to roll it up, and it will make it a lot easier for you once you're finished. I just smoothed out the ruffles before I created that center, rolled it over, stitched it down, and then you're going to use hot glue to glue the flower together. You want to do just a few inches at a time and roll as you go, and it makes this really easy, pretty, shabby flower that just you can use on pretty much anything to embellish, from headbands to junk journals, whatever you'd like. But if you enjoyed this project, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. You can leave a comment below if you have questions or if you have requests for future videos. And if you don't already subscribe, I hope that you do that as well. So I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.